welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for watching. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. I am so excited to bring this look to you guys today. Everything that I'm wearing in this video is strictly drugstore and affordable. Yes, drugstore and affordable. Who said you can pull off a full glam look, soft glam look, classy look like this using affordable products? It's all about the technique. The products that I'm using will be listed in the description box below. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see how I completed this beautiful full glam look using all affordable products, please keep on watching. Bye guys. Excuse my brows. My brows gave me hell today, but we're just going to move on. Not every day is a good brow day. So for eyeshadow today, I am going to use my NYX Ultimate Utopia palette, and we're going to do something really soft, a really nice soft neutral soft glam that could go for any occasion, day or night. You can't go wrong with neutrals. So I'm going to use my Morphe E27 brush and use this. We're going to use this warm orangey brown color here. We're going to use that in the crease. We're going to do about 2 or 3 colors today, and we're going to make it look classy and sassy. Keep it in the crease, circular motions. Next, I'm going to darken the crease just a tad bit using this color right here. Next, I'm going to go in with this cream color right here, and I'm going to apply that on the rest of my lid using my my good old Do Care brush. So my skin is already moisturized, and we are going to proceed with primer. Today's primer of choice will be my Maybelline Master Prime in the white label. This is the Blur and Smooth primer. For foundation today, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. I wanted to give this a try. I've never used this before, so let's see how that goes. Hopefully it's my right shade. If it's not, we're gonna make it work. Smells weird. Color isn't too bad. It feels very light on the skin, and actually it gives a little bit of coverage for a tinted moisturizer. Come through, Maybelline. The color isn't too bad. I mean, it's a little umpish, but we'll fix that with a brighter highlighter. We could balance things off. So I'll show you, I guess I'll be showing you today, even if your foundation is a little bit darker, how we could balance it off. Next, I'm going in with my damp beauty blender, and I squeeze out the excess water, and I'm going to pounce this along my skin to take off any excess product that don't need to be there. I don't know how I feel about this foundation yet. Ooh, it's oxidizing reddish on me. I'm olivey yellow, and but I'm gonna keep pushing for you guys. I'm gonna keep pushing through. Let's see what we end up with. I'm just gonna go with a brighter highlighter, I guess. I'm gonna go with my good old trusty Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. Next, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Satin Powder. At least this is their translucent finishing powder in the shade number 30. This is medium deep. And I'm going to use my Morphe E49 brush to apply that powder. I'm just going to press it into the skin. There's no baking for me. To set the rest of my face, in the areas where I didn't apply that loose satin powder, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Press Powder in the shade 360, in the shade Mocha. I'm just going to use a Sonia Kashuk powder brush and press it into my skin. Okay, seems to be coming together. I was actually nervous. I really don't like how that tinted moisturizer oxidized on me. Whew, I was a little bit nervous. I'm starting to feel a little bit more confident now. Okay. Next, I'm going to bronze my skin with my Covergirl Full Spectrum Bronzer. So off camera, I went ahead and lined my lower waterline using the L'Oreal Gel Eyeliner in the shade Black. And I smoked out that waterline using the same dark brown that we used in our outer V area. I used that and smoked it out at the bottom. So now, off camera again, I'm going to apply my mascara. I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara today, the shade Black on the top and the bottom. I'm gonna maybe not wing my upper lash line with my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. Let's see how I feel. When we come back, we shall see what I did. And for lashes today, I picked this up from my local beauty supply store. It's the INV Remy 3D Invisible Band. They're not too much. They're just perfect for this soft glam. So I'm going to apply these things and I'll be right back. Now I'm back. I decided to wing my upper lash line. Nothing too big though. Applied my lashes and here we are. I'm going to complete the rest of my face. I'm going to use my NYX Sweet Cheeks Matte Blush in the shade Summer Breeze. And I'm going to use my Morphe E34 brush to apply this on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to spray my face with my good old trusty Morphe Satin spray. And this is just the original. Good old Maybelline Master Chrome. So I used the ColourPop Cosmetics BFF4. This is from the Shayla collection, and I used the NYX for the scent of the lips. I went ahead and used the NYX Strictly Vinyl lip gloss in the shade Sugar Mama. It's nice and caramel, and I thought it was perfect to complement this combo. This completes the look. I'm assuming for you guys to see how my skin is looking. Just to show you that, guys, back out. Just to show you that you don't need high-end products to pull off a classy look like this that's perfect for any and every occasion. I mean, how could you really tell?